Hi everybody, it's Jenny from the Missouri Star Quilt Company, and I am here in Bali, beautiful Bali in Indonesia. I'm here for a creatives retreat, and I'm telling you, it has been amazing. So this year on your Thanksgiving, I just want you to take a minute and think about all the things you have to be thankful for, because it's amazing when we really think about all the different things. And I hope that you and yours have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving from me, from my family, and from Missouri Star Quilt Company. See you later.
It's gonna be the pie. The pumpkin pie.
Stuffing.
Mashed potatoes. Pumpkin roll.
Ham.
I like ham.
Dressing.
Turkey.
Turkey and cranberries and all the other fixings.
Family dinner.
Food.
Pumpkin pie.
Mashed potatoes.
Stuffing.
Oh, sweet potato pie.
Green bean casserole.
Sweet potatoes. Turkey.
Pecan pie.
Cranberry salad.
Chocolate pie.
Pumpkin pie. Mashed potatoes and gravy.
Mashed potatoes.
Homemade noodles.
Noodles.
Green bean casserole.
Dessert.
Turkey.
Sweet
Pumpkin pie.
Corn casserole.
Turkey.
Happy Thanksgiving!